I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim me. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stay in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true in the game you play. You would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Oh, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there. Close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true in the game you play. You would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Oh, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flame. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you call must be waiting for you. Even now when you're already over, I can help myself from looking for you. I say fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burns, will I cry 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Oh, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time.